everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Malpua is a popular Indian sweet and it's typically made with maida. But today I'm going to show you a variation and we are going to make this with wheat flour, that is atta. So let's get started and check it out. To a bowl, I've taken 1 cup of atta, that is wheat flour, instead of maida. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. Next, add quarter cup of semolina, that is Sooji rava. To this I'm adding about a tablespoon of powdered sugar. Next, half teaspoon of cardamom powder and half teaspoon of fennel powder. So give that all a nice mix. Next I'm adding 2 cups of boiled and cooled milk. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. So in total I'm adding about 500 ml of milk. After adding the milk, mix everything well. Using a whisk will be very convenient for this. After mixing, you can see the batter is a lovely pouring consistency. Let this sit for about 30 minutes. Next, we are going to make the sugar syrup. For this, to a saucepan, I am adding 1.5 cups of sugar. Next, I am adding 1.5 cups of water. So this is a 1:1 ratio. Once the sugar dissolves and comes to a boil, I am adding a few saffron strands. So let this boil for about 5 minutes on medium flame. So after 5 minutes, let's check on the sugar syrup. The sugar syrup should be a bit thick. It should just feel a bit thick, but it shouldn't become too sticky, or it should not have a stringy consistency. So the sugar syrup is done. Keep this aside. Here is a quick tip for you. In case the batter is runny, after 30 minutes, you can just add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, that is atta, and give it a quick mix to get the right batter consistency. So our malpua batter is ready. Let's start making the malpuas. Next, to the pan, add about quarter cup of oil. Once the pan is hot, pour a ladle of batter in the center of the pan. Maintain the flame on low throughout. Fry on one side for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can gently flip it to the other side. Using tongs to flip the malpuas will be very convenient. So you can see after I flipped it, you can see a nice golden ring there, a nice dark brown ring. This will give you a nice crispiness to the edges. Make sure you fry on both sides till you get a lovely golden brown color. Once it's cooked, remove the malpua from the oil and keep it aside. Make these in batches about 4 to 5. Once you've made the malpuas, gently drop them into the sugar syrup. Let it soak in the sugar syrup for at least a minimum of 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can remove them from the syrup and serve it immediately. There you go, you can see these lovely golden and delicious malpuas which are ready to be enjoyed. I'm just garnishing with some chopped pistachios. They make for a perfect festive sweet recipe. Well, we've made these simply delicious malpuas and I can't wait to try them. So I have a plate full of malpuas here. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. It is incredible. It's so juicy and those edges are so crispy and it's so yummy. I really enjoy that malpua. I'm sure you guys will definitely love them. Make sure you follow all the steps to get it perfectly, and you can make this for any special occasions, festivals, parties or get-togethers. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.